Hi, I'm Richard Asselta, and I'm a defense attorney for students. I want to talk to you about the concept of academic probation, and specifically, is there anything that you can do about that? So, what's academic probation and how does it happen? Well, typically it happens because a student, you're in a particular program or the school in general, they have certain requirements for GPA, certain minimum requirements. And if you fall below that requirement or get close to that low level, they can do a review and they can sometimes place a student on what's called academic probation. And you're given a set of circumstances, you're given a time period in which you need to bring your grades up to a certain level. And they'll tell you if you don't do that by whatever point in time, you could then be subject to dismissal. Many times you can, as the student, appeal the decision to place you on academic probation. And again, given depending upon your circumstances, you may want to consider doing that. And what are some of those circumstances? Well, maybe there was extenuating circumstances that were happening at the time that made you score a little bit less than you would have liked, and you didn't get an opportunity to talk about those. Or maybe there were numerical errors in the way that the professor graded your work. That also can be an issue. Or perhaps the length of the probation that they've placed you on just doesn't seem fair given your particular circumstances and where you are with your grades. There could be lots of reasons, but the point is that most of the time, you as a student have the right to challenge this. So if you find yourself on academic probation, you want to find out from the individual that you're speaking to, is there a process to appeal this? If they don't want to tell you, look at your policies of your university. It will be there, it will be outlined there, and most of the time these policies can be found online. If you have a situation like this and you want to discuss it with me, give me a call, send me an email. I'm happy to talk to you about it and advise you as to whether or not you may have a good case for an appeal. Thank you very much.